to my channel Nurture Your Talent. We'll be discussing few current affair questions. So let's get started. Which company has achieved the status of world's largest solar producer? Answer is Adani Greens. Which Indian which Indians has been included in the Fortune 40 under 40 list? Answer is Akash Ambani, Isha Ambani, Baiju Ravichandran, and Manu Kumar Jain. With which country India will participate in Indra 2020 exercise? Answer is Russia. Who has become India's first female ambulance driver? Answer is M. Veeralakshmi. Which university is on top in Times Higher Education ranking? Answer is Oxford University. Which state government started Gandagi Bharat Chodo campaign? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. Who became the first woman Director General of Civil Aviation Security Bureau? Answer is Usha Padhe. Which country built the missile site at Kailash Mansarovar? Answer is China. How many sports have been added for direct recruitment of players in government jobs? Answer is 20. Who became the first Indian to win a Grand Slam single men's draw match in 7 years? Answer is Sumit Nagal. Who launched Green Term Ahead Market? RK Singh. Who was at the top in Top Thinker 2020 list of British magazine? Answer is KK Shelja. Who will be appointed as CEO of Railway Board? Answer is YK Yadav. Which period will not be in this session of Parliament? Answer is question hour. India has signed an agreement with which country to prepare AK-203 in India? Answer is Russia. Who has been appointed as the MD/CEO of Indian Bank? Answer is Murli Ramakrishnan. Who wrote the book Let Us Dream? Answer is Bob Frennis. Who has been appointed as the MD/CEO of Punjab and Sindh Bank? Answer is S. Krishnan. Who won the World Open online chess tournament? Answer is P. Indian. Who has been appointed as the Secretary of Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation? Answer is Chhatrapati Shivaji. According to the report of US Department of Defense 2020, which country has world's largest navy? Answer is China. Which language is being made as the official language of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is Hindi, Kashmiri and Dogri. Who has been appointed as the next ambassador of India to Republic of Croatia? Answer is Rajkumar Srivastava. Who has been reappointed as the head coach of New Zealand cricket team? Answer is Gary Stead. What is the rate of road accident death as per 1000 vehicles in India? Answer is 61. Who will host the summit of heads of government of SCO in November 2020? Answer is India. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.